Annyeonghaseyo, Chademin, D Shandepni. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. And today, I am unboxing my SoSusan or Color Curate bag for August 2018. As usual, all the information about Color Curate and or SoSusan will be down below in the description box. By the way, if I say Color Curate or SoSusan, it's the same thing. I've been subscribed to them for over a year, and they did change their name, so the official name is Color Curate, but I oftentimes will slip back and say SoSusan. Anyway, I digress. Let's talk about my Color Curate bag for August. All right, so first things first, this is the bag this month. Every month there's a theme. The theme is Life is Better in a Bikini. This is what the bag looks like. And here's the other side, and you know I love this. I'm going to say, you know what I'm going to say? This bag screams K-drama paradise because look at it. It looks like paradise. I love it. I love the flowers. This is like amazing. And life is better in a bikini, and it really is better in a bikini. Awesome. So every month we get a bag like this. And you always will get products from one of three companies. You will get products in your bag from SoSusan, from Jelly Pong Pong, and from Truffle Cosmetics. Everything in this bag that you get from Color Curate is cruelty-free and vegan, 100%. So if you like products and you're into products that are vegan and cruelty-free, and you want beauty products, this is the subscription for you. I do know that this bag does ship in the United States. They used to ship overseas, but I don't think they ship overseas anymore. So to all of my viewers that are in the UK and such, I don't think they ship anymore. I have to double check on that, but I think they stopped earlier this year. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. First things first, when you open up the bag, there is a card. And the card looks like this. The card always matches the bag. And I really like that this company does that. They take the print from their card and they put it on the bag. Here's the other side that tells you everything that you get in this month's Color Curate bag and the prices. So I will be referring to this as I am showing you everything that we get. First things first, when I got my bag, this was on the outside of it. This is a makeup brush. You know I love makeup brushes. This makeup brush is from, where are you from? It's from Jelly Pong Pong. And this is the large tapered face brush. This is what it looks like inside of the packaging. As you can see, it's this rainbow unicorn brush. I personally like it. This brush is worth $19. No, I'm sorry. It's worth $34. My bad. This is the bonus item that we got. And this is a large tapered face brush. And it's very soft. That's why I keep feeling on it. It's very, very soft. And it is white. You can't see from the lighting, but right at the base here, it has a little bit of color to it, but then the ferrule, I think it's called the ferrule, correct me if I'm wrong, it's colored like from pink, there's yellow, then it goes from green to like orange, and then like to purple. That's nice. So yeah, this would be good for like, you know, setting under the eye area or applying highlight and blush for me. This is nice. I love makeup brushes. So I'm happy to get this. It's like my little magic wand. Anyway, I'll keep going. In the side of the bag, this is the bag here. Nothing in there. Your products come wrapped like this in bubble wrap. And that's what I love about this company, is that they will take the time and they will wrap each of your items in bubble wrap so that nothing gets broken or shattered. You are hearing things popping. I'm sorry about that. All right, I got the bubble wrap off. Toss that behind me in the garbage. I have three items. The first item I have is from Truffle Cosmetics. This is the Eye Candy Highly Pigmented Eyeshadow Duo. It looks like that. It looks like the color that I have is Sorbet. And as mentioned before, this company is cruelty-free and vegan. This is worth $14. This product contains no parabens or gluten. It's hypoallergenic. And it is vegan. And this is, ooh, that's nice. This is what it looks like. It's like purple and, yeah, purple or violet. Doesn't smell like anything. Usually Truffle Cosmetics, their products will smell like cake and sweets and things like that. That's nice. I like those colors though. Very, very nice. Here's the other side, by the way. Eye candy. Guys, you know I don't swatch anything because my lighting is horrible. And swatching, it's not that I don't want to swatch. I hate sticking my finger in makeup. That's so weird for me to say that, but I'm sorry if I don't swatch. Apologies. Anyway, moving on. From Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics, I got something called a Luna Light. You are a liquid luminizer, so I think you're a highlighter. That's what that looks like there. I like the packaging on that. The color that I have is Liquid Ray. Looks like that there. And this is worth $19. This is the $19 item. And by the way, again, just like before, Truffle Cosmetics, this product contains no mineral oil, no parabens, and it is hypoallergenic and it's vegan. And it tells you all of that right there, along with the little leaping bunny. And let's open her up and see what she looks like. All right, so this is, are you wrapped in plastic? I believe you are. This is wrapped in plastic, so I'm not going to open it, but that's what it looks like, the Luna Highlight, or the Luna Light. It looks like it's a highlighter to me, like a liquid highlighter. Let's see what this says. Yep. Squeeze a little bit amount on your finger and spread onto your cheekbones or wherever a touch of light is desired. Blend well with a thick brush. So yeah, this is a highlighter, and I could also put this here, you know, on the collarbone area to highlight. Very nice. I like highlighters. They're so much fun. And then the last thing that I have is this is the SoSusan Lip Dew Moisturizing Tinted Lip Balm in the color Coral Gloss. Just like before, this product is vegan, no mineral oils, no parabens, it's gluten-free, and it is enriched with sunflower seed oil and shea butter. That's what that looks like there. And, oops, right there. And this is worth $19 as well. By the way, the makeup bag is worth $12, and the total value of this bag is $98. And this is what it looks like. It is wrapped in plastic also. And that's what it looks like there. Can you see that? It says the name Coral on it. If I can get this open. I do appreciate SoSusan, the company, for wrapping their things in plastic and putting a safety seal on it. Because it's just awesome that you know that no one has been tampering with your makeup. So the safety seal is off, and it is on my hand. It won't get off my hand right now. There it goes. This smells good. These smell like melon. Anyway, that's what the color looks like. And it's like a tinted lip balm. And I have a couple of these. They smell amazing. Anyway, my friends, that is everything in this month's SoSusan bag for August 2018. Life is better in a bikini is the theme. Let's recap what we got. All right, first of all, we got the SoSusan Lip Dew Coral Gloss. I have from Jelly Pong Pong the Luna Light, the highlighter, which is awesome. I also got from Truffle Cosmetics the Eye Candy eyeshadow duo in Sorbet. Very nice packaging too. And then last but not least, what wouldn't fit in the bag is from Jelly Pong Pong. This is the large diamond twinkled tapered face brush, which is absolutely beautiful and soft. All right, my friends, so that's everything in this month's SoSusan bag for August 2018. Life is better in a bikini. Go ahead and let me know what you think about this bag. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I am almost at 1,000 subscribers. My goal is to get there by the end of this year. If I make it to 1,000 subscribers, there will be a giveaway, and I'll let you know what that giveaway is when I reach that threshold. All right, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 나